Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Download it and open. Now tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Next select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Disconnected.
Name your function, give it description and press this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.